Let's face it, our bodies are always changing, and that's something every single one of us experiences. From the moment we're born, our bodies are in a constant state of transformation, adapting to new stages of life and reflecting the journeys we've been on. It's a natural part of life. These changes are not just inevitable, they're a testament to our growth, our resilience, and the stories we carry with us. And guess what? That includes our breasts. Just like the rest of our bodies, our breasts go through their own unique changes as we age, influenced by everything from genetics to lifestyle, pregnancy, and even gravity. They might not stay as perky as they were in our younger years, and that's perfectly okay. In fact, it's completely normal for breasts to change shape, size, and firmness over time. These changes are nothing to be ashamed of. They're simply a part of being human. Today, we're going to talk about why breasts sag, what really causes these changes, and more importantly, what we can do to feel our best at any age. We'll look at the science, but also at the emotional side. Because how we feel about our bodies matters just as much as the facts. Remember, this isn't about striving for an unrealistic ideal or comparing ourselves to airbrushed images we see in the media. It's about celebrating our real, authentic selves and letting go of the pressure to look a certain way. This is about taking care of ourselves inside and out. That means nourishing our bodies with good food, moving in ways that feel good, and practicing self-care that supports our mental and emotional well-being. It's about feeling strong, confident, and comfortable in our own skin, no matter our age, shape, or size. Confidence isn't about perfection, it's about embracing who we are right now. We're going to break down simple exercises that can help support breast health, share lifestyle tips for feeling your best, and even debunk some of the most common myths about aging and our bodies. You might be surprised by what you learn. We'll also explore how to support our bodies through every stage of life, whether you're navigating the changes of motherhood, menopause, or simply embracing the wisdom that comes with age. It's time to embrace our natural beauty, celebrate our unique journeys, and focus on feeling healthy and strong, inside and out. When we support each other and share our stories, we realize we're never alone in this journey. Because let's be honest, true beauty comes from within. It shines through in our kindness, our confidence, and the way we care for ourselves and others. At the end of the day, it's about how we feel about ourselves, not just how we look. So let's honor our bodies, appreciate all they do for us, and move forward with pride and self-love. So, why do breasts sag? It's a question that many women ask themselves at some point in their lives, and it's completely normal to be curious about the changes happening in your body. Breasts are made up of fat, glandular tissue, and ligaments, and over time, these components can shift and change. Understanding the reasons behind breast sagging can help us feel more empowered and less self-conscious about these natural changes. Well, several factors play a role. It's not just one thing, but a combination of genetics, lifestyle, and the natural aging process. Every woman's body is unique, and the way breasts change over time can vary widely from person to person. Some women may notice changes earlier, while others may see them much later in life. One major culprit is gravity. From the moment we're born, gravity is constantly pulling on our bodies. Over the years, the ligaments that support our breasts, called Cooper's ligaments, can stretch out, much like a rubber band losing its elasticity after being pulled repeatedly. This gradual stretching can cause the breasts to lose their youthful perkiness and begin to droop. Age is another factor. As we age, our skin naturally produces less collagen and elastin, which are the proteins that keep our skin firm, supple, and bouncy. This reduction means the skin on our breasts becomes thinner and less able to support the underlying tissue, making sagging more likely. The aging process is inevitable, but understanding it can help us appreciate the changes our bodies go through. Hormonal changes, like those that happen during pregnancy, breastfeeding, and menopause, can also affect breast fullness and elasticity. During pregnancy, the breasts often become larger and heavier, stretching the skin and ligaments. After breastfeeding, some women notice a loss of volume, which can make sagging more noticeable. Menopause brings its own set of changes, as hormone levels shift and the skin loses even more elasticity. Lastly, lifestyle choices can have a significant impact. Smoking, for example, reduces blood flow to the skin and damages collagen and elastin, speeding up the aging process. Excessive sun exposure can also break down these important proteins, leading to premature sagging. Even wearing an ill-fitting bra or experiencing significant weight fluctuations can contribute to changes in breast shape over time. Remember, these are all natural processes. Every woman's body is different, and breast sagging is a normal part of life. By understanding the factors involved, we can make informed choices about our health and well-being, and embrace our bodies with confidence and self-love. Let's talk about how to build strength and support for our breasts. While genetics and age play a role in how our bodies change, there are practical steps we can take to help our chest look and feel its best. By focusing on the muscles underneath the breast tissue, we can create a natural lift and improve overall posture, which can make a big difference in appearance and confidence. While we can't completely stop the effects of gravity, we can definitely give our bodies a helping hand. Regular exercise not only tones the muscles, but also boosts circulation, which is great for skin health and elasticity. Plus, working out can be a fun and empowering way to connect with your body and celebrate what it can do. Targeted exercises can strengthen the chest muscles, providing better support for the breast tissue. The main muscle group we want to focus on is the pectoralis major, which sits right beneath the breasts. By making these muscles stronger and more toned, you'll notice a firmer, perkier look over time. And don't forget, strong chest muscles also help with everyday activities, from lifting groceries to improving your posture at your desk. First, push-ups, a classic for a reason. Push-ups work the pectoral muscles directly, helping lift and tone the chest area. If you're new to push-ups, you can start on your knees or against a wall and gradually work up to full push-ups as you get stronger. Remember to keep your body in a straight line and engage your core for the best results. Next, chest presses. Whether you're using dumbbells or a resistance band, chest presses are fantastic for building chest strength. Lie on your back, press the weights or band upward, and focus on squeezing your chest at the top of the movement. This exercise not only targets the chest, but also works your shoulders and triceps, giving you a well-rounded upper body workout. Then, dumbbell flies. This exercise involves lying on your back and opening your arms out to the sides, engaging the chest muscles for a great stretch and strengthening effect. Flies are excellent for targeting the inner part of the chest, which can help create a fuller, more lifted look. Be sure to use a weight that challenges you, but still allows for controlled movement. Wall presses are another option. Stand facing a wall and press your hands against it, engaging your chest muscles. This move is perfect for beginners or anyone looking for a low-impact alternative. You can adjust the intensity by stepping further away from the wall or increasing your repetitions. And finally, the plank. This isometric hold strengthens your core, which helps improve posture and indirectly supports the chest. A strong core keeps your shoulders back and your chest lifted, making you look taller and more confident. Try holding a plank for 20 to 30 seconds to start, and gradually increase your time as you build strength. With consistency, these exercises can help you feel stronger, more supported, and ready to take on the world. Taking care of our breasts goes beyond just exercise. Did you know that maintaining a healthy weight can make a big difference? Excess weight can put extra strain on the ligaments supporting our breasts. What we wear matters too. Wearing a well-fitting, supportive bra can provide much-needed support and minimize strain on breast tissue. Make sure to get fitted regularly, as our bra size can change over time. And don't underestimate the power of good posture. Standing tall with your shoulders back not only makes you look more confident, but also helps reduce strain on the ligaments in your chest. Practice good posture throughout the day, whether you're sitting at a desk or walking around. Let's bust some myths. You might have heard that certain creams or lotions can magically lift sagging breasts. While some creams can improve skin elasticity, they won't change the shape of your breasts significantly. Similarly, there's no scientific evidence to support the claim that specific foods can prevent or reverse breast sagging. However, a healthy diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and lean protein can help maintain overall skin health. When it comes to home remedies, some people find that regular breast massage with natural oils like almond or coconut oil can improve skin tone and circulation. Remember, these are not miracle cures, but can be part of a holistic self-care routine. Here's the most important tip. Love your body. It's so easy to get caught up in societal pressures and unrealistic beauty standards, isn't it? But remember, everybody is unique and beautiful in its own way. Instead of focusing on what we perceive as flaws, let's celebrate our bodies for their strength, resilience, and the amazing things they can do. Embrace your curves, your shape, and all the features that make you uniquely you. Self-love and acceptance are such powerful tools. When you feel good about yourself, it really shows. So, stand tall, embrace your beauty, and focus on taking care of your body from the inside out. Remember, true beauty radiates from within. You've got the knowledge, now it's time to take action. Start incorporating some of these exercises and lifestyle tips into your routine. Remember, consistency is key. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results overnight. It takes time and dedication to see changes. Focus on feeling good and getting stronger every day. And most importantly, be kind to yourself throughout the process. This journey is about so much more than just physical changes. It's about feeling confident, empowered, and comfortable in your own skin. And that starts with embracing your body and celebrating all that it is. I'm so excited to be on this journey with you. Let's create a supportive community where we can share our experiences, cheer each other on, and lift each other up. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more fitness tips, motivational content, and empowering conversations about body image. Let's continue this conversation in the comments below. What are some of your favorite ways to stay healthy and body positive? Share your thoughts and let's inspire each other. For more tips on maintaining breast health, choosing the right bra, and finding body-positive resources, check out the description box below. I've included links to helpful articles, videos, and products that can support you on your journey to a healthier, happier you.